Let's start off by talking about direct messages. These are one-to-one messages between the chat app and the users. Direct messages allow the chat app to cover use cases that focus on the individual, like we see on screen. As we can see in the animation, the Google Meet chat app is receiving a direct message from a user. The user asks the chat app for an overview of his schedule for the following day. The user then cancels a meeting that he no longer needs, all without leaving Google Chat. When users interact with the chat app through direct messages, there's no need to reference or mention the chat app because there is already a connection between the chat app and the user. Accessing chat apps through direct messages is a great way to offer personalized actions and responses that turn Google Chat into a personal productivity tool. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos about Google Workspace development and AppSheet.